Today I'm making a Caprese Croissant sandwich, and this is my homemade basil pesto sauce. I've got fresh basil, I've got garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. But the first thing I'm going to do is toast my pine nuts. So I'm going to wait a few minutes as these toast. Then we're going to be using the food processor. All right, while I'm waiting for the pine nuts to warm up, I'm going to add my fresh basil. I've got garlic. My Parmesan cheese. And salt and pepper. Okay, and I'm going to add my pine nuts. And of course the recipe will be in the description box. Nice. We're going to put our lid on. Okay, and pulse. I want to scrape down the sides. I've assembled all my ingredients for the sandwiches, and I started with mini croissants, but you can use regular croissants. Here's my pesto. I've got mozzarella cheese, artichokes, and sun-dried tomatoes, and regular tomatoes. I've chosen cherry, and we have baby arugula. You can assemble it in any order you want. After you've added the pesto, that is going to go on the bottom. I'm spreading the pesto on the bottom of each sandwich. You can add as much or as little as you want. Next, I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese on. Okay, sun-dried tomatoes. I have them in oil and not in oil, so you pick either way, doesn't matter. Next, I'm adding the artichokes. Now I've chopped those smaller than the way they come in the jar. I have to press those down in. This is going to be a very full sandwich. Next, I'm adding fresh tomatoes. I've quartered these cherry tomatoes. I forget our baby arugula. Go. All right, we're going to close them up the best we can because I've really stuffed them. And even though croissants have a lot of butter in them, we're going to add more. This is for on the top. We're adding melted butter. All right, now I'm going to add my toasted sesame seeds. That's why we needed the butter. All right, these are going in for 5 minutes. We are not going to have to wait long.
This is the Caprese Croissant sandwich. It's got cheese, arugula,
tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes.
Amazing pesto that Brigetta made from a basil plant we bought at the grocery store. I'm going in, Brigetta.
Okay.
Ooh, a little crusty.
Yep. So 5 minutes in the oven, that's really quick.
Toasted sesame seeds.
Yep. Let's see if I can eat without making a big mess. Oh, wow. I like that. You're not even going to miss the lack of protein.
Wow.
Lots of flavor.
The first flavor is that slightly toasted croissant, very buttery. And then the punch of the dried tomatoes and the real tomatoes, regular tomatoes, and the fresh basil hits your tongue. Wow.
Fresh, it's really good.
Getting another bite.
Yes. And of course, it looks beautiful. Be perfect for some special event.
Almost healthy.
This is true.
Very nice.
But very delicious, very fresh.
Where'd you get the recipe?
Where everything lives, on the internet.
On the internet. Nice.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Well, we're going to have the recipe in the description box at the end of the video. And of course, all the ingredients are below as we make it.
Right.
This was pretty simple.
It was. Well, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
Nice job. I love sandwiches.
Yeah.